Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Ren Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a quick tutorial on how to use your camera modes in your 2019 Tesla Model 3. So, in order to access this feature, all you have to do is to make sure you go to the center console, and we're gonna have to click on the button that has the arrow going up. So we're gonna click on that, and once you do, of course, as you can see, we're gonna click on the camera mode. But this mode, you can access all the cameras from the rear and the sides, and you can do this also while you're driving, so you can see everything that's going on around you. Make sure that you don't miss any blind spot. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this quick tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Ren Acura, and thank you guys for watching.